Hello guys, today I've got Motorola Razr 60 and I'm going to show you how to customize the covered display panels. So here in the main menu we need to open the settings. Now you need to tap external display. As you can see, panels are right here. Now we need to close our device to continue. And here we've got our panels. If we tap this minus, this panel will be removed. So for example, let me remove calendar. Here, if we hold some, we can drag it around and place it some in a different place. Now when we tap plus, we can select some other panel to add it to our external display. Like for example, I'd like to see Google stock. So that's how it works. Let me add Spotify also. And actually, that's it. We can't do nothing more in here. That's it. Goodbye.